Starting with some foundry work, I need to make a new sleeve for my drill jig. It's just two pieces of styrofoam glued together. Whacking that into some sand, obviously to hold its shape, and then I'm going to put a sprue on the top and it's ready for pouring. So this is the collar that come out of the jig. This is the collar that come off the drill press. And so that's why I needed to make a new collar, because there was no way that was going to clamp up. This housing was meant for a bigger drill press with a bigger chuck. Therefore this one doesn't reach the drill bit, so it's going to need modifying. Need to cut a small section out.